Okay, so now let's move on to the fun part, uploading this Swift UI code to the Apple Store. As I mentioned before, to upload apps to the Apple Store, we need to use Xcode. And unfortunately, Xcode is only available on MacBooks. So I myself am a Windows guy, so I do not own a MacBook. So I'm using something called, let's spell it for you, macincloud. So basically what it is a virtual server that you can purchase and use. So since I do not own a MacBook, I'm using it like this. Okay, so let's begin. Let's create our new project. iOS app. So these simple names might already be taken. So for this, just I'll add something like this. You can think of more unique names when you do it yourselves. So very important thing is to set this indentifier the same as we set in the Apple Store platform. If you set it in different names, your app won't upload to the Apple Store. Okay, let's create. So we need to delete these default 2 files. Delete. Keep the assets file. It will be needed for later. Okay, so right now let's upload it. Oh, also since I'm using a server, what I do to transfer those files, I use my Gmail. So basically I just send from my main computer, which has cloud in it. I just send through email and download it in here. Okay, yes, create the bridge. Okay, next, let's run it. Go on product and run. So this is normal. I've created around 10 or 20 apps, I think, and I have never successfully built an app in the first try. So for this, what we need to do is to take a photo, and let's go to our cloud. I have already done this off camera, so basically this was our Swift file. And uploaded, I got these here errors, so just set these errors, and Cloud gave me a new version. I have already downloaded here. Let's go to this folder. Now let's delete it. Okay, and let's upload our second version. So I already know that this version is good because I have tried it off camera. So actually Cloud got it on the second try, which is not very common. As I said, usually I would say three times before the app runs without any errors. So now that I clicked run, we can virtually test the app. Let's wait till it loads up. might take a couple of seconds, quite laggy on the server. Okay, well, app launches. I won't be testing anymore in here. I will test when we upload to Apple Store. I will test it on my actual phone, because when we have it uploaded, we can do testing on our phones. Okay, let's turn it off. Let's go back to the folder. Go to assets. Click on the app icon. So before we can upload any apps, they need to have an icon logo. So I also just asked Cloud to create it, and already have it downloaded here. So all we need to do is move it. Okay, so that's that. Now let's click on subscription tracker D, the top one. Let's go to signing and capabilities and make sure that this bundle identifier is also the same as the one used in the Apple Store. Now let's go to build settings and scroll almost all the way down. Okay, signing tab. So now that if you want to upload it to the Apple Store, we need to go to product, archive, and build failed. So communication errors. First time when I was creating my app, I was stuck in here for like 2 or 3 hours. So the fix is very simple. Code signing identify. We need to remove this Apple development. So let's click other. Now click delete on your keyboard. Click anywhere here and do the same for this other. On keyboard delete. Okay. Now let's do it again. Archive. Let's okay. Firstly, if you get this error, you need to go product, clean. Server is server. Clean build folder. Clean successful. Now let's do it again. Product, archive. Oh, sorry, we probably need to leave this build settings tab. Let's try it again. Product, archive. Okay, building, as we can see it here. Build successful. Okay. Now let's distribute. Let's click the distribute app. Okay, so all tutorials say to click on the App Store Connect and press distribute. I was also stuck for a few hours on this step when I was firstly starting to create apps and was unable to find a fix. Maybe it's because I'm using a server. I'm not really sure why that is, but what you need to do to overcome it, choose custom, click next, leave it like this, upload. Okay, choose your account theme. Okay, locked for some reason. Click next. Okay, let's wait. Okay, keep both of these on. Automatic signing, leave on. Communicating with Apple, let's wait. Okay, click upload. It takes a minute or two. Let's see if it uploads without any errors. Well, at this phase you should not be receiving any errors. Once I had an error here, but it was something with the Apple server, so just did it again and no problem. So yeah, we can click done now, and let's move back